Hi there, my name is James Samin and welcome to James Cooking. Cooking. So for today's video, we are going to cook one of the mother sauces there is. It's the Espagnole. Now, here are our ingredients. For our ingredients, we have our stock, our beef stock, our cornstarch, we have our butter, we have our peeled tomato, but you can use tomato paste. Next, we have our carrots, our onions, bay leaves, and our aromatics. So in a pan, we're just gonna put it on heat. Next up, we're gonna put our butter. Gonna melt that there. After that is melted, we're gonna put our onions. When that is cooked, we're gonna put our carrots. And just saute it. Just saute. So you can smell it from here. It smells amazing. Next to that, we're gonna put our cornstarch. Now, when that is cooked, we're gonna pour our beef stock. Just gonna let that boil, bring to a boil, and then simmer. Actually, we're gonna put our laurel, bay leaf, and our aromatics. Also, our peeled tomatoes. Up its consistency and then thicken more. About 2 hours or 3 hours, 30 minutes. We're gonna wait more till it lessens its consistency. Smells amazing, you guys. For about 30 minutes, this will be the consistency. It has lessened its, I think it has lessened its dimension. I mean, yeah, it has lessened for a bit. Ooh, girl. It's gonna mix. See this? Ooh. About an hour, we have this consistency, and we're gonna get our strainer and we're gonna strain it. And there we have our brown sauce. We have it, you guys. We have our brown sauce, also known as Espagnole. Let's have a taste. Oh my god. It's really smell. It's very good. Ooh, it's hot. Amazing. Ah, amazing. There you have it, guys. We've made our Espagnole. Again, my name is James Samin. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is James Cooking. Param pam param. Pow.